So in this lecture, let's start off with some questions based on indices. So we'll use the laws of indices and we'll find the answers. So let's start off with the first one for today. So let's say it's given 1176 is equal to 2 raised to p 3 raised to q 7 raised to r. And we need to find numerical values of p, q, r. And the second question is we need to find value of 2 raised to p 3 raised to q 7 raised to minus r as a fraction. So let's start off with this one. So 1176, what I'll do is I'll do the prime factorization of 1176 so that I can get 2, 3 and 7. So when we do the prime factorization, so let's do this. So we'll get 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. Let's do it once again. So it's 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8. Then we have 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 7s are. Then we have 7 2s are 7 1s are 7 3s are 3 1s are. So what we get is 2 raised to 3, 3 raised to 1 and 7 square. This is equal to 2 raised to p, 3 raised to q, 7 raised to r. So we get the values of p, q and r. So p is 3, q is 1, r is 2. Now in the second part they have asked find the value of this as a fraction. So 2 raised to p, so that is 2 3 to cube. Then it's 3 raised to q, so that's 3 raised to 1 and 7 raised to minus r. So r is how much? R is 2. So 7 raised to minus 2. So we need it as a fraction. So I'll write 8 into 3 upon 7 square. So that is 24 upon 49. So simple use of concepts of indices and we can get the answer. Let's try one more question. Let's say the question is 3 raised to a plus 2 minus 3 raised to a plus 1 upon 4 into 3 raised to a minus 3 raised to a. So in this question, since there is a and the question is actually they've just asked to simplify. So in this question, what we'll do is we'll try and take out something common and get it cancelled. So I can see 3 raised to a up, so I can write this as 3 raised to a dot 3 square. Yes, so according to the product law, and I can write here 3 raised to a 3 raised to 1 upon I can take 3 raised to a common, so I get 4 minus 1. So here I will get 3 raised to a common, so I'll have 3 square minus 3 upon 3 raised to a 4 minus 1. This gets cancelled. So what we get 9 minus 3 which is 6. 6 divided by 3 which is 2. So now there is another method to solve such questions in case such questions come in MCQs. So what you can do is you can for shortcut you can just put some value of a because they have not given what is a. So let's say a is 0. So if a is 0, I'll have 3 square minus 3 upon 4 into 3 raised to 0 minus 3 raised to 0. Anything, any non-zero number raised to 0 is 1. So this is 9 minus 3 is 6. And then this is 4 minus 1, which is 3. So answer is again 2. So let's try one more question. So let's say if we have something like this, if we have a question like this, wherein it's 9 into 3 raised to x equal to 27 2x minus 5, and we need to find x. So in such questions, what you'll do is you'll try and convert everything into the same base. So I can see 9, 3, 27, so it becomes easy. So 9 I can write as 3 square, and 3 raised to x is just 3 raised to x. 27 I can write as 3 cube, so that's 3 cube into 2x minus 5. So this becomes 3 square plus, so x equal to, so this is 3, so 3 into 2x, so that is 6x minus 15. You can compare the two sides, both the base is same, so you can compare the powers. So 2 plus x is equal to 6x minus 15. So we have 15 plus 2, which is 17, is equal to 5x. So x is equal to 17 by 5. Now in indices, you can also expect questions which are in the form of a quadratic equation. So let's say you have something like this: 2 raised to 2x plus 3 minus 9 into 2 raised to x plus 1 equal to 0. So if you get something like this, so what you'll do is you'll convert again, you'll keep this as 2. So this is 2 square, 2 raised to 2x dot 2 cube minus 9 2 raised to x plus 1 equal to 0. So now 2 raised to x I can take as a. So this is actually a square, and this is 8. So 8a square minus 9a plus 1 equal to 0. So now this is a quadratic equation. So let's solve it. So we can just factorize. So we need 8. So I can write 8a minus 1a plus 1 equal to 0. So what we'll get is we'll get 8a, a minus 1 minus 1, a minus 1 equal to 0. So 8a minus 1, a minus 1 equal to 0. So 8a is equal to 1, or a is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 by 8, or a is equal to 1. So now a is 2 raised to x. So 2 raised to x is equal to 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 is 2 raised to minus 3, or 2 raised to x is equal to 1. So 1 I can write as 2 raised to 0. So the value of x is either x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 0. So these were few questions of indices, wherein you can use the all the laws which we have learned uh, in the questions and get the answers. So relatively very simple topic, but a very important topic as far as basic algebra is concerned. So till next lecture, all of you take care. Bye bye.